अखंडानंदसंबोधो वंदनाद्यस्य जायते गोविंदं तमहं वंदे चिदानंदतनुं गुरुं शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वंदे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्लोक 154 संन्यास topic is going on, which is nothing but uparati here. विहितानां कर्मणां विधिना परित्यागः. Karmas which are ordained by Vedas unto me, then I give those up also. Means I give up other karmas first, kamya and pratishiddha. Then I give up nitya naimittika karma. Then it is called sannyasa. 154. कर्मणा साध्यमानस्य नित्यत्वं श्रूयते यतः कर्मणानेन किन्नित्य फलेप्सोः परमार्थिनः. कर्मणा साध्यमानस्य अनित्यत्वं यतः श्रूयते किम अनेन कर्मणा नित्य फलेप्सोः परमार्थिनः. यतः सिंस कर्मणा साध्यमानस्य अनित्यत्वं श्रूयते, एनीथिंग दैट इज अटेन्ड, शानच प्रत्यय कर्मणि शानच, कर्मणा साध्यमानस्य फलस्य अनित्यत्वं श्रूयते, that phalam is anitya. Therefore, the one who is interested in nitya phalepsoho paramarthinah anena karmana kim, by this karma what result does he have? There is nothing that he needs. यतः कर्मणा साध्यमानस्य प्राप्यमाणस्य फलस्य अनित्यत्वं विनाशित्वं श्रूयते. What is attained through karma is anityam, vinashi. Therefore, person who is interested in paramartha moksha, paramarthinah param kaivalyam, tasya arthi ichchuhu is paramarthi. Then saparamarthi is not needed. You can put it in bracket. saparamarthi. Tasya paramarthino mokshor brahma jnana nishtha kankshino. The one who is seeking nitya phalam, and that nitya phalam is swarupa nishtha. Swarupa nishtha is brahma jnana nishtha. That is the nitya phalam. So nitya phalepsoho anena karmana kim prayojanam na kinchid ityartha. What prayojanam he is going to have through these karmas? There is no prayojanam served. Now there is some discussion. Somebody says karmas are required for chitta shuddhi and karma should not be given up. So why are you talking about sannyasa? Nanu na shrutam tvaya tametam vedanuvachanena brahmana vividishanti yajnena danena tapasana shakena etameva viditva munir bhavati. Have you not heard this Brahadaranyaka Vakya that Brahmanaha Vividishanti, those who have Antakarana which is purified and is aligned with the Vedic teaching, they desire to know Brahma. To produce that desire, they shall do Vedanuvachanam, means Veda Parayanam, Yajna, Dana, Tapa, they should do. And knowing that, they will become Muni. They will become completely introverted, dwelling on the self. And Bhagavan has also said in Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatapi Uktam, Yajna, Dana, Tapa, Karma, na tyajyam, karyameva tat. These karmas, in the form of Yajna, Dana, Tapaha, they have to be performed. They should not be given up. Because they are the greatest purifiers for people. Yajna, Danam, Tapaschaiva, Manishinam, Pavanani. Iti. So up to this is Purvapaksha. Badham, Siddhanti says yes, correct. Karma is a nimitta for Vividisha. Parantu Vividishaya Vishayo Brahma tam iti shabdena uktam. Vividisha Vishaya is Brahma. Tam etam Vedanuvachana. Tam Brahma, which is etam Vedanuvachanena, Brahmana Vividishanti. यदा सर्वेषु कर्मसु कर्मफलेषु च वैराग्यम् उपजायते यदा च विवेकादि संपन्नाधिकारिणा विचारः क्रियते तदा ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा जायते. When in all karma vairagya comes and then a sadhana chatushtaya sampanna adhikari conducts inquiry, means he thinks with the help of shastra and acharya, then they will have Brahma Jignasa. So, karma and karma phala, vairagya is also needed. If throughout the life you go on performing karma, then when will you have opportunity for Brahma Vichara? Uktancha. And Brahma Vichara also requires preparation. Suddenly, somebody cannot just start sitting in some sessions and expect that they will be able to understand everything. It doesn't happen, you know. So you need time for that. Uktancha, it is also said, Pariksha lokan karmachitan brahmano nirvedamayan nastya krita kritena. Tad vijnanartham sa guru meva vigachet samit panihi shrotriyam brahmanishtham. So it is said by Shruti that when vairagya comes for a person who through viveka does the parikshanam of the worlds which are the result of karma. Karma chitan lokan parikshya. Brahmana nirvedam ayat. He will have vairagya. When that vairagya comes, then the nature of vairagya is kritena karmana akritaha. Brahma or akritaha atma. Nasti. By performance of karma, I will not get that which is uncaused, which is not karma phala. Brahma is not phalam of any karma. So that I will not get through karma. Therefore, tad vijnanartham, for the knowledge of that, saha gurum eva abhigachet. Then he should go to Guru. Samit panihi shrotriyam brahmanishtham. Then further, kim prajaya karishyamo yesham no yamatma ayam lokaha iti. Shruti says, what shall we do with progeny? This ayam atma, ayam lokaha, we are interested in atma loka. Ayam atma, this atma is the loka for us. We don't want swarga loka, brahma loka. We want atma as our loka. So naha asmakam atma eva lokaha tada kim prajaya karishyama. Praja, dhanam, we don't need. In the previous statement, Guru Mevabi Gachet, he should go to Guru Samit Panihi. Guru, the student should be Samit Pani. Means he is prepared student and he goes to teacher with surrender. What is the nature of that teacher? Shrotriya Brahmanishta is the Guru. न्यास इति ब्रह्मा ब्रह्मा हि परः परो हि ब्रह्मा तानि वा एतानि अवराणि तपांसि न्यास एव अत्यरेचयत् य एवं वेद. This is Mahanarayana Upanishad. Sannyas is Brahma, Brahma is Paraha, Paro hi Brahma. Tani va etani avarani tapamsi. All of the others are inferior tapa. Nyasa means sannyasa is the one which excels. Nyasa eva atyarechayat. Atishayana arechayat. Ye evam veda. Anna karmana na prajaya dhanena tyagene ke amritatvam. So, one or 2 points we can dwell on this. The tapaha, yajna, dana, tapa, etc. are tapas, no doubt. Fasting is tapas. And walking barefoot, sleeping on the floor, all of them are tapas. What is the highest tapas?
Sannyasa.
Here it is sannyasa, shravanam mananam. What is the result of shravanam mananam?
Dridha paroksha jnana.
Dridha paroksha jnana. That Brahmanishtha, where ahankara badha takes place, is mahattapa. Ahamapetakam nija vibhanakam mahadidam tapo ramanavagyam. Aham apetakam nija vibhanakam. Self-shining in the absence of aham vritti. Means where aham vritti is mithya. That aham vritti nishedha, where it is done, that is mahattapa. All other tapa, if I cannot do that mukhya tapa, I have to do gauna tapa. Sannyasa is a means for that tapa. If I can pay attention to aham vritti, and if I can do nishedha of aham vritti, this ahankara is not me. This is Mahattapa. Because ultimately, samsara is there with that ahankar only. If I can do this, is good. If I cannot do it, other tapa. So sannyasa will facilitate. Sannyasa means giving up all those actions which are creating complications in life, whether they are laukika or vaidika. Pravritti marga and nivritti marga. This is the bheda. Pravritti marga is I take up things to get involved in things which have bahya phalam. Nivritti marga is I take up those things only which will result me further in introverted journey. So anything that helps me in Brahmanishtha, that marga is called Nivritti marga. Increasing Shravanam is Nivritti marga. It is not Pravritti. Or increasing Nididhyasanam is a Nivritti. This is one. Now, na karmana na prajaya dhanena tyage neke amritattva manashu. On this one, chanting 1000 times on loud voice, na karmana na prajaya dhanena tyage neke amritattvam, will not be much phalam. You try to do some tyaga, you will see the phalam. Reciting the mantra is not the objective there. What am I really willing to give up? So from my personality, which we know, our personality, what am I willing to let go? Whatever I can let go, whatever is anatma, whatever is pratibandha for me, that tyaga is what is meant for me. If I have other karma, other praja, dhanam, etc., which creates pratibandha, of course, I should not identify with those things. If I can let go, very good. But tyaga of the negativities in my personality is the means to amritattvam first. Then tyaga of that ahankara itself. So these points, they are directly relevant for my sadhana. तथा च श्रुतिः तद्यथेह कर्मजितो लोकः क्षीयते एवमेवामुत्र पुण्यजितो लोकः क्षीयते. So Shruti also says, just as in this world, iha, what is attained through karma, karmajito lokaha, is infinite, is temporary, it's not going to be infinite, its kshaya will happen. In the same way, amutra punyajito lokaha kshiyate. Hereafter, what is attained through punya also shall be impermanent. Bhagavan has also said, Bhagavatapi Uttam hi arurukshor muner yogam karma karanam uchyate. Yoga arudhasya tasyaiva shamaha karanam uchyate. For an arurukshuhu, arodhum ichuhu, sanasham sabhiksha uhu. Arurukshuhu. That u comes because of sanasham sabhiksha. So such a person Karma is a sadhana. Karanam means sadhana. When he is yoga rudha, then shama is the karana. Means if my mind is too extroverted, I should do karma and get exhausted. Exhausted so that I don't have time to think of rajoguna. Rajoguni karma, rajoguni phalam. And then when I am ready after Shravanadi, then drop the karmas. Means when I am ready for Shravana, drop the karmas. यदि जन्मांतर कृत कर्म भी शुद्धम चित्तम तर्हि ब्रह्मचर्यादेव सन्न्यस्य ब्रह्म जिज्ञासितव्यम. If in the previous janmas itself my mind has become purified, then from brahmacharya itself I should take sannyasa. And then work on brahma jignasitavyam. If it is not shuddham, yada na shuddham iti ragena jnayate. How will I know whether it is shuddham or not? You see your raga. If you have desires which are obstructing your spiritual path, then become householder. Tada grihi bhavet. So here also, when a person takes this step, sometimes they may be not sure what is the life that I am going to have. Everything is unknown. Actually, it's not that householder life is very well known, because every householder has different set of problems with their spouse, with their children, with their in-laws, everything. It is also a commitment where you don't know what is going to happen. Sannyas marga is already less traveled by people, so it is unknown. And then where will you go, where will you live, where will you sleep, eat, how much you will get to study, etc., etc. Nothing is known. If everything is good and God's grace is there, we end up having a teacher who teaches, guides. Otherwise, people take sannyasa but don't do anything. No shravanam. They just go to Bhandara, they socialize a little bit, go for some events. When they give one talk for 45 minutes somewhere, they think, oh. That is not the goal. So if raga is there, then grihi bhave. If person is not certain, what should I do? At least they will know what I don't want to do. Because grahasthashram will have its own set of problems. So when they know that they don't have to do that, then they can become sannyasi. If they go to grahasthashram for chitta shuddhi doesn't happen. Tatrapi ashuddhau vani bhavet. Go to vanaprastha. Tatrapi ashuddhau tatraiva kalam akalayet. Stay there only in forest, in vanaprastha. Let the body drop. If you become pure, chitta shuddhi happens in the vana shuddhau pravrajet iti. तथा च श्रुति ही ब्रह्मचर्यम समाप्य गृही भवेत गृही भूत्वा वनि भवेत वनि भूत्वा प्रव्रजेत यदि वा इतरथा ब्रह्मचर्यादेव प्रव्रजेत गृहाद् वा वनाद् वा यदहरेव विरजेत तदहरेव प्रव्रजेत. So Shruti says there are specific instructions. From brahmacharya, you can go to grahasthashram, vanaprasthashram, then sannyasa. Or directly from brahmacharya ashram, you can take sannyasa. Or from grahasthashram, you can take sannyasa. Or vanaprastha, sannyasa. When should I take? The day you get vairagya, you should leave everything. तस्मात् कर्मणाम मोक्षफल रूपम प्रयोजनम अदृष्ट्वा संन्यास कर्तव्यो मुमुक्षुणा इति. So therefore कर्मणाम मोक्षफल रूपम प्रयोजनम अदृष्ट्वा. Karma having mokshaphala rupam prayojanam is not possible. Karma will not give moksha. So therefore adrishtva mumukshuna sannyasa kartavya. A mumukshu understands I should renounce. So those who cannot give up external family obligations, etc., they should take internal sannyasa. And then increase some bhakti, and if there are other responsibilities, other commitments, Bhagavan will take care. We think we are taking care of everything, but Bhagavan alone has said, I take care of everything. So yoga kshemam vahamyaham. So our yoga kshema in the form of worries about others. You say, you don't worry, I will take care of that. You worry about your moksha, that's all. नित्य सिद्ध आत्मस्वरूपावस्थान प्रतिबंधक अज्ञान निवृत्ति व्यतिरेकेण उत्पत्त्याप्ति विकृति संस्कृति लक्षणस्य कर्मफलस्य कैवल्ये असंभवात् अज्ञान निवृत्तेश्च ज्ञान मात्र हेतुत्वात् न कर्मापेक्षा इति उत्तर श्लोक तात्पर्येण प्रतिपादयति उत्पाद्यम इति. Atma, which is Nitya Siddha Atma Swarupa is Atma. Tasmin Avasthanam, abiding in that Atma, for that if there is any Pratibandhaka is Ajnana. That Ajnana Nivritti is the objective. Ajnana Nivritti will not happen through Karma Phala. What will happen through karma phalam? Ajnana nivritti vyatirekena. Other than ajnana nivritti, these things can happen through karma phala. Utpatti, apti, vikriti, samskriti. So karma phala will be in the form of these four, not Ajnana Nivritti. And Ajnanam is the Pratibandhaka for Swarupa Avasthanam. So Karma Phalasya Kaivalya Asambhavat. That Karma Phala, which is of these four Lakshanas, Utpattyadi. Utpatti in English means producing something. Apti means obtaining. Samskriti, modifications. Vikriti modifications. Samskriti, purifications. Kaivalya Asambhavat. In Kaivalya, it is not possible. Ajnana Nivrittesha Jnana Matra Hetutvat. And Ajnana Nivritti is only through Jnana. Jnana Matram Hetu Yasya Ajnana Nivritti hai. न कर्मापेक्षा इति उत्तर श्लोक तात्पर्येण प्रतिपादयति उत्पाद्यमिति. Therefore, there are no karma apeksha for this. So, Uttara Shloka, he gives as Tatparya. Utpadyamapyam samskaryam vikaryam pariganyate चतुर्विधं कर्म साध्यम फलं नान्यदितः परम. The action will result in fourfold results, or actions can achieve fourfold results. What are they? Something which is produced, something which is obtained, purified, or modified. Other than this, there is no phala. These are the only ones. So what are they? In a table we have given, like produced. Karma will produce, like if we make a pot. So production of the pot is a result of the action. Obtaining or attaining something, like a person goes to a village, that is called attainment. Samskaryam, purification, like sprinkling the grains, etc. Vrihin prokshati, vrihi samskara, for the yajna. And modifications, vikriti, like cooking the rice. So they become cooked, they get modified in their form. So this is what is the phala. Karma phala, karma sadhyam phalam is only these four, nothing else. So Atma is none of these. That is said in the next shloka. Naitadanyatamam brahma kada bhavitum arhati swatah siddham sarvadaptam shuddham nirmalam akriyam. Etadanytamam brahma kada na bhavitum arhati. Brahma, second line also you can add Brahma. Swatah siddham sarvadaptam shuddham nirmalam akriyam. This Brahma cannot become any one of these four. Etad anyatamam Brahma na. Brahma is not to be produced. Brahma is not obtained or attained. Even though we say attaining Brahma, there is no attaining in the form of attaining a village. Brahma need not be purified. Brahma is not modified. So, Brahma is not the phalam of any one of these. So, Brahma is swata siddha na utpadyam. This is said by Taittiriya Shruti, Satyam Jnanam Anantam. It is ever attained, sarvada aptam, and therefore it is not apyam. This is said by Chandogya Shruti, Tat Satyam Sa Atma Tattvamasi iti Shrute. Brahma is Shuddham Nirmalam. Because it is Shuddham Nirmalam, it does not need any purification. Samskaryam na. Where is it said it is Shuddham? In Ishavasya Shruti. Saparyagat, Chukram, Akayam, Avranam, Asnaviragam, Shuddham, Apapa Viddham. And Akriyam, it is not a Kriya, Akriyatvat, na Vikaryam. There is no modification possible. Because there is no action possible there. Na jayate mriyate vavi paschin nayang kutaschin na bhagava kaschit. Nothing has come from it. And therefore, it cannot become Vikaryam. Therefore, it cannot be any one of these. Yasmad Brahmana karma phalam. Then what is the purpose of karma? because it is not a karma phalam. Karma phalam can be only of 4 types. Brahma doesn't fall into any one of these categories. Therefore, karmas don't have prayojanam. Therefore, karma sannyasa ishyate. Now, those shlokas are explained further in 7 shlokas. One shloka we will see. Nachasya kaschid janite, nachasya kaschid janite, त्यागमेन निषिध्यते, कारणं ब्रह्मण तस्मात् ब्रह्मणोत्पाद्यमिष्यते. कारणं ब्रह्मणस्तस्मात्. That is the second line, third pada. So brahmanaha na kaschit janita asti. There is nothing which will produce Brahma. There is no utpadaka. Iti agamena, by the Veda Vakya, Brahma doesn't have karanam. That is said. And therefore Brahma is not karyam. Tasmad Brahma na utpadyam. Brahma utpatti is not there. The Shruti is Shvetashvatara. Nachasya kaschit janita nachadhipaha. There is no janita of Brahma. Iti Shrutehe. Tasmad na kasyachit kriyaya utpadyam. So by any kriya, Brahma is not utpadyam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Eshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.